here I have a 1920s, 1930s Argus rotating stage slide protector. It's original condition, it's working, it's very fine condition. The case is in very fine condition. I have no slides to show you how it works though, but it does work. Argus was made in Michigan, in the United States in Michigan. This little projector is in very fine condition. Matter of fact, you open the box and it still smells new inside of it. I don't have the instruction manual for it, but I've got everything else for this little projector. The cord is in excellent condition. There's no scratches on this unit. It's just like brand new. I've never come across a projector that is like this. It's in such good condition. The slide, the rotating slide, you put 2 slides in that rotator, slip them in, then you turn it, and as you pull the other slide down in, you pull that top one out and you put a new slide in, then you turn it and show your next slide. You can focus it with the lens, pull it in and out, focus it for clarity. It's a pretty ingenious little thing for the time of era it was made. I also have a box for slides too, but I don't have any slides. It was a storage box for slides. Thank you for watching.